beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. I have kit 2 of the Mind and Mood collection with me. So I wanted to show you guys this. Sorry I didn't get this filmed in February. It was a crazy month for us. So I have it now. Inside the house is kit 3, so I will go over that in another video, hopefully sometime soon. But let's just dive into kit number 2. So again, it's in this nice paper packaging. It has the nice little blueness on it that tells you everything that's in the kit. And I like that it has the nice perforated line back here for opening it. So let's get into this. So pulling out some packaging. Oops. All right, so the first thing is the Mind and Mood Kit 2. It tells you a little bit about the different products on it, and then it has a nice little note. So that's nice in there. And then let's get into the oils. So the first oil I am pulling out is the Adaptive 15 milliliter. In kit 1, we did get the Adaptive soft gels and we got the roller ball, but this is the 15 milliliter oil, so that's nice to have on hand. And I'll put up a link, I'll put up a photo right now of the different benefits of Adaptive, but again, it's a calming oil. It's a great one to have. The next oil I am pulling out is Black Spruce. And this is a 5 milliliter bottle. So again, this is what a 15 milliliter versus a 5 milliliter. But Black Spruce is a 5 milliliter bottle. And I'll put up the image now of all the great benefits for Black Spruce. It's not one I'm very familiar with, so I can't just be like, yeah. And the next thing I'm pulling out is a 15 milliliter of Wild Orange. This is another great uplifting essential oil. It's very good for the mood. Citrus oils are very good uplifters. I like to put this in water. You want 1 drop for every 4 ounces of water, and you want to use glass or stainless steel. Do not put it in plastic. It'll break down the plastic. If you do want to use this topically, because again, it is really good for just uplifting the mood, make sure to avoid sunlight for about 12 hours after use. Because it is photosensitive, it is a citrus oil. Some good ways to combat that: I really like to put citrus oils on the bottom of my feet, inside shoes when I'm going outside, so that way I'm still getting those nice benefits. It's coming into my skin through my feet, but that my bottom of my feet are not obviously seeing the sun, so I like to do that. And then the last oil I am pulling out is a Lavender Touch. This will be a really calming oil. This is something good to use before night to get ready for bed, or if your stress is really high. This is another great one to have for that. There is a bee flying around my camera. That is awesome. If you guys see that, I'm flying right there. And then the last thing in here is the doTERRA free gift with this purchase. It's the free gift. And it is bath salts. doTERRA, please don't come near me, bee. doTERRA bath salts. So this would be really nice and relaxing to do like a really nice bath. Let's see here. So it looks like it's just some really nice bath salts. You might be able to scent them yourself. I'm not sure. I can't smell anything, but this is not a product that doTERRA regularly offers. It just comes in this kit as the free gift. So that is really exciting. You could always, maybe put in some Adaptive into your bath salts and have like a really nice, relaxing bath before bed. That would be great. Or you could even get some lavender, get your lavender oil out and put it in there, or Serenity. Some nice good calming oils in your bath would be great. So I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and if you like videos like this, you like learning about essential oils, you like learning about the different kits that doTERRA is offering, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. And I hope y'all have a beautiful day. God bless.